What's up, guys? In this video I'm going to be doing a little test flight. I just picked up this drone. This is not related to excavating or hardscaping or anything like that. It's not a work video. It's me just pretty much getting my first test flight out there. I just got this drone 2 days ago. I've flown it around my backyard and through the neighborhood, but I decided to take it down to the Delaware River, which is not too far from my house. Try to get some cool shots and go out a little bit further distance. It's far from the smoothest or coolest drone video out there. It's more or less my practice video before I bring it to a job. There's a couple cool shots where I fly underneath. There's like 3 bridges. You'll see. I'll turn to them in a couple minutes here, maybe in a minute or two. And I fly pretty close. There's a minor league baseball stadium that I'm approaching now. This drone, this is the DJI Air 2S. They say this type of drone is more oriented for people who want to film and take video and photos with their drones. So let me know what you guys think about my drone flying and I guess video that I'm putting together here. You know, after I get the hang of it, I'm going to bring it out to like an excavation job or maybe a hardscaping job. Definitely to get some photos, and I'll try to get some video of while the job's going on. They have a couple cool apps. They have like a Follow Me app, I think it is, and a Track Me app. I got to look into that a little bit more. I think what you do is you set the drone to follow you or a piece of equipment or a car or whatever you want, and it'll just fly around it filming it. If any of you guys know about any of that, you have any information you'd like to share, please leave it in the comments. Make it easier for me, or a link to a good video that explains the app. I did a quick search yesterday, but I spent a lot of my time researching like how to fly and things like that before I got into the apps. Well, I'm done talking. I guess I'll add some music to this. Hope you enjoy it. Like I said, at least hang around till you see me fly underneath the bridges. I think that's pretty cool.